Welcome to Stock Content Resources. In this video series, we'll explore how to find legal images and videos for your YouTube content. Whether you're creating thumbnails, backgrounds, or B-roll footage, using stock content is a smart way to enhance your videos while staying on the right side of copyright law. Let's dive in and discover the best resources available for content creators. There are 4 main reasons why stock content is essential for content creators. First, legal protection. Using stock content helps you avoid copyright issues and licensing disputes that could get your videos flagged or removed. Second, time efficiency. Instead of spending hours creating assets from scratch, you can find ready-made, professional-quality content that's immediately usable. Third, cost effectiveness. Many platforms offer free options, so you don't need a big budget to access high-quality assets. And fourth, professional quality. Stock content is produced by professionals, giving your videos a polished, production-ready look that elevates your overall content quality. Stock content comes in 4 main types. Images include photos, illustrations, and graphics that work great for thumbnails and video backgrounds. Videos provide footage clips, B-roll sequences, and transitions that you can use to enhance your video editing. Audio consists of music tracks and sound effects that add atmosphere and mood to your content. Finally, fonts and graphics include typography and design elements perfect for text overlays and branding your channel. Most creators use a combination of all these types to create complete, professional-looking videos. Before using any stock content, it's crucial to understand the different types of licenses. Royalty-free content means you pay once and can use it multiple times without paying additional fees. Creative Commons content is free to use, but requires you to provide proper attribution to the creator. Subscription-based resources charge you a monthly or annual fee for access to their entire library. And commercial licenses explicitly give you permission to use content in monetized videos, which is important if you're earning revenue from your channel. Always check which license applies to the content you want to use. Let's look at 4 excellent free image resources. Unsplash and Pexels offer high-quality photos with minimal restrictions, making them perfect for beginners. Pixabay provides photos, illustrations, and vectors, all completely royalty-free with no attribution required. Freepik offers graphics, vectors, and illustrations with both free and premium options available. And Canva provides design templates and stock assets specifically created for content creators, making it easy to customize and create professional-looking visuals quickly. All of these platforms are completely free to use. Now let's explore free video resources for your B-roll and background footage. Pexels videos and Pixabay videos offer free stock footage clips with no attribution required, so you can use them worry-free. Cover provides beautiful, loopable background footage specifically designed for creators who need atmospheric visuals. Vidvo offers both free and premium stock video with transitions and effects included. And Mixkit brings everything together in one place, offering video clips, music, and sound effects so you can find all your assets in a single location. These platforms make it easy to find quality footage without spending any money. If you're looking for more extensive libraries and exclusive content, consider premium and subscription-based resources. Adobe Stock provides professional-grade images, videos, and templates trusted by creators worldwide. Shutterstock has an extensive library with flexible subscription plans for different needs and budgets. Getty Images offers high-end stock photos and editorial content for creators who need premium quality. And Envato Elements bundles everything into one subscription, giving you access to templates, graphics, music, and video, all in a single monthly or yearly payment. These premium options are worth considering as your channel grows and your content demands increase. To use stock content properly, follow these 4 best practices. First, always read the license terms before using any content. Understanding restrictions ensures you stay compliant and avoid copyright strikes. Second, provide attribution when required. If a license demands credit, include it in your video description or display it on screen. Third, avoid overusing stock content. Mix stock assets with original footage to create unique videos that stand out from competitors using the same resources. And fourth, always check monetization rights. Before using content in a monetized video, verify that it's approved for commercial use to protect your channel's revenue. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. Stock content is a legal and cost-effective way to enhance your videos and create professional-looking content. Explore both free and premium options to find what works best for your budget and creative needs. Always respect licensing terms and provide attribution whenever it's required by the creator. With these resources and practices in mind, you're ready to start creating amazing content. Thank you for watching and happy creating.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.